sketching flowers as a botanist. Or if you like red, draw blood instead as a phlebotomist. Or you could let yourself draw something else. You could draw a bird, just get paper and pens. Draw a bird. When you try, you will realize you can draw a bird. It only takes a minute to draw the shape of a linnet. A judge might draw a conclusion, detective might draw a blank. Canoeists might stop for the night, draw their boats up the riverbank. But why not enjoy yourself and draw something else? And draw a bird, outline the wings of a dove. Draw a bird. Get your brushes, paint some thrushes, doodle a smidgen of lark or wood pigeon. Try your luck with a tufted duck. Easy to learn the shape of a tern. Just draw a bird. Or spend some time thinking a vine. Just draw a bird. Get a pencil and paper. Draw a bird. Let yourself loose with a Canada goose. Just go and do a cockatoo. Never a loss with an albatross. Or at a pinch, a chaffinch. With a felt tip pen, do a moorhen. Draw a